Yes guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we've got a lot to talk about regarding the TT and future plans. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off just with going over some of the issues that I've come across with the TT. So let's just get straight into it. Yes lads, so real talk today, real talk. So I've had the TT for what, let's just say a month and a half now, and absolutely loving the car, loving its capabilities, and when it's working right, loving the performance side of things as well. It's just, how do I explain it? I don't know, but that's not good enough. Yes lads, so let's just get into it. My honest opinions of the TT. Absolutely love it. Is it family orientated? Is it family friendly? As you'll all know, is it heck? So there's a couple of bits that need doing to the car, which is why I'll bring us round to why I've not been filming these last couple of weeks. Found out the missus is pregnant, so I've just been enjoying that, getting involved with the midwives and stuff, finding out what's going on. So I'm having a little girl, booyah. Congratulations to myself, pat on the back, boom. So the car, as it stands, let's just get outside here, come on. So let's open the boot, because the first issue that I've got to rectify is, push that back, we're going to press that one, and we're in the boot, not COVID cough, is we need to fit this. It's become apparent that the clutch has gone. So we've gone for the LUK Repset Pro, which is a 3-piece clutch kit, managed to get it on the Euro car parts steal of the week, and we're going to be fitting that this week to the car. Now I've just noticed a couple of things. I think it has got a short shifter. Now if anyone can tell me what's wrong there, because I feel like I've lost my short shifter. I was kind of having a bit of a race from a set off and from a start. Yes, no, that's what I'm talking about. Pucker. Sounds nice. And it just, here's when I realised the clutch were going. It just revved up, and then we didn't really go anywhere. Banged it into second, revs went all the way up, didn't really go anywhere, which let me down on the day, boys, won't lie. And then I got a bit of a burning smell, so I just thought, it's got to be the clutch. I've tried a couple of launches since, and again, same thing, straight up to the top of the rev range, doesn't really pull, doesn't really go anywhere. So, and I'm noticing the boost levels when we sat on idle on the boost gauge, it seems to be down a couple of PSI. I mean, I've no smoke, nothing coming from the turbo. The turbo sounds perfect, it's still whistling and stuff. It's just, from the drivetrain, it doesn't feel like it's there whatsoever. I'm going to set me straight and say this is going to need a new gearbox at some point, but they are cheap as chips. Apologies for the wind, it's a bit of a windy day. So that's where I'm at the minute with the car. I've not really been able to go out and kick its head in, because obviously the clutch issues, you're not going to want to keep putting the power through the car, because you end up not being able to drive it anywhere. So it does feel slightly down on power due to the clutch, but we'll get to that, get that fixed this week. Hopefully that cures my problem for the power. And then I've noticed, let's just see if we can start her up, and see if you can help me with this sound that I've noticed. I mean, I've had a look online, but I'm not 100% sure. So let's have a look. So we get no dash lights, nothing untowards. I've even got the VCDS tester throwing up no codes whatsoever. So everything sounds pretty straightforward and simple. Sounds cool. I've just replaced this. It's the N75 valve. I've just replaced the N75 for an eBay throwaway. So we'll see how that goes, because I thought it might just be the N75, because some of the symptoms for the N75 was kind of cross-referencing with my head, with a clutch, lack of power, not boosting until you get to like 3,000 revs and whatnot. But no, I've changed that over. Nothing wrong with the N75, absolutely fine. Again, she sounds fine. Oh, just went off there a minute, just tried pressing Wi-Fi, so there's no smoke. Nothing coming out of there that shouldn't be. Sounds purry still. But I am noticing when you switch the car off, so watch it try and prove me I'm wrong now. So we turn it off. And after I've turned it off, watch it not do it now, I'll be absolutely fuming. Well, I won't, because it means it's not there now, but I've just heard it a minute ago, so it is. It's like a tick or a tap. Just a random tap. No, it's not doing it. It was doing it a minute ago when I shut it off. It must be after it's been driven. Was that it then? Are we all listening? No, it's going to prove me wrong at this moment in time. I will get an audio of that today and I'll throw it in the video at some point, if I can do. So yeah, basically that's where I'm at with the TT. But putting the TT aside, I have got plans for a project that's coming up shortly. We're looking to turbo a car, boys. We're going to go and get a turbo kit and we're going to pick a car. Well, you guys are going to pick a car and we're going to go and turbo it. I'm going to give you, say, a week or two to pick the car, put some polls out online, so keep your eyes out for that. So make sure you get involved, let us know what car you'd like to see turboed. Trying to do a build for around £1,000, including the turbo kit, so a nice cheap turbo build, and we'll just see what we can do. We'll strip it out. Doesn't have to have MOT, doesn't have to have anything. Like, even if you've got a car sat there now at home, if you work at a scrapyard or there's something that's just sat there and you think, you know what, it runs but it's never going to see the road again, hit me up in the DMs, hit me up on the Instagram and let me know what you've got. Maybe we can work something out. Maybe you'll see it get turboed on YouTube, just for the fuck of it, really. We'll take it round the track and we'll see if Jesse wants to get his turbo MX-5 up against it. We'll just do some bits, boys. We'll get involved with another project car until all the track days open up and we can start taking this out properly. I think that's what we should be doing. Little side project. Just keep the channel going, keep the channel moving. I want to start filming now every couple of days, so the content's going to start flowing again. And again, thank you for staying with me and thank you for being subscribed. Any of the issues I've just spoken about, if you've got any ideas, let me know. Again, the short shifter kit, which is on it, I have no idea. Is it even on there still? I don't know. Not a clue. Not a clue. So yeah, we'll leave it at there for now. It's just a quick update video. Just let you know where I'm at, why there's not been any videos for the past few weeks. And that's about it really, boys. So thanks for your patience and thanks for your support. Can't wait for all the nights out to get going again with the car meets and all the cruises and stuff. I need to get back involved with that. Seen some of you cheeky boys going out already and getting involved. Naughty, naughty. A little bit jealous. So yeah, that's where we're at, boys. Massive respect. And I will catch you in the next one. She does look good though, for a small car. She does look beastly. Wicked. So as I say, turbo project coming on, big ideas and big plans. Get involved. If you want to see a turbo project build, a cheap turbo project build, one that you could actually attain in your life, rather than watching some of these YouTubers doing 50 grand builds, which is nice if you can do it. It doesn't help me and you, does it really? The guys down at the bottom who can't really fucking afford to be doing stuff like that. So let's just get something that's attainable to us all, and we can just have a laugh and a buzz watch it. Doesn't matter if it blows up, doesn't matter what happens to it, we're just gonna have a buzz. So yeah, massive respect. Like, comment, share and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one shortly. Peace out.